Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. Yeah, not video on a Monday, but it's on a Tuesday because I have been invited by the lovely Francesca from Junk Journal Joy to participate to a fabulous collaboration, and I'll put all the hashtags and all information in the info box. So the challenge of today is to create something using scraps. So I put all together all my bits and pieces and create some Christmas junk journal or even tags, a little Christmas tree, more like a mixed media sort of project. Hope you guys liked them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Wow, we've been to Italy for a week. We got back on Friday the 17th. Well, we'll be traveling kind of like all day. It was like a 12 hours journey because we left my mum and dad to go to the airport in Italy, and then we've flown, and then from the we had to fly to London Stansted, because my near airport in Italy and Manchester, the flights are only seasonal flight, so after summer there aren't any. So it was a bit palaver, but we have a lovely week. It's been a week full of foods, family time, friends time. I have seen my friend. We grew up together, but she lives in Australia. I've not seen her for 12 years, so it's been quite emotional roller coaster seeing her. I love her to bits, and it's been lovely. We had a meeting for the house, so they had a final meeting now on Thursday this week. So exciting, and then we will find out if the house is all right as it is, so we can just put an offer. Well, the offer has been put, just done all the paperwork, they're just ready to be sent, or if there are some more square meters to be taken off the house going into the garden, because there is regulations about the outside space. But honestly guys, I don't want to bother you with that. So yeah, on Thursday we find out, so fingers crossed. Right, so today you think, oh my god, what the hell is this? I don't really know myself. So let me just put everything on the desk. So I was invited by the lovely Francesca from Junk Journal Joy. Francesca is Italian like myself, so yeah, Italians doing better. High five, Francesca. Thank you for inviting me to this to participate to a lovely collaboration. And I'll put the hashtag on the title of the video. Is Junk Journal Joy Challenge, and the challenge was to use scraps. Okay, so I put all my scraps. I don't know if you guys are like me. Like, do you save little piece of paper like this, or am I just too mental? But sometimes I find little pieces and I think like, oh, okay, I could use this. Or sometimes when I score, can you see on the screen? Yeah, I score some paper. So this is a score line. And then the cut off, I just save it because you never know. You never know. That's some of the Christmas paper which we will use today, and I will put on one side. I love this green. I have quite a lot of black, I noticed. Definitely use this green. Definitely use some of this Christmas paper. I love this pink. So in my head, I want to put, I'm definitely going to use this gold. In my head, should we use this? Yes. I want to make some Christmas tree, but made, first of all, kind of like a master board. So going through, oh, definitely use this. Put all these scraps into one page, do a bit of mixed media, and then I got a punch from Stampin' Up, which is this one here. It was a bundle, this and a stamp set. Stamp set is behind me, but I won't use a stamp set. Well, I might do actually. I'll have a look in a minute. So I'll create a master board first. So I'll put all these bits, definitely going to use them. Create a master board first, and then punch the trees and decorate them a bit. I quite like this one. Of course, they're going to be Christmas trees, but oh, I love this. This looks like bubble. I don't know if I'll probably see the scoreline, but never mind. It's part of the fun. Do I need a butterfly? Maybe not. You see, I'm saying no to a butterfly. I'm gonna say yes to a butterfly now. I changed my mind. I think that'll be too pop. No, definitely not the right colors. So use your scraps. Definitely gonna use these. And create something. So you can join the challenge. I like this stripe. I might use the red one and maybe the green one for Christmas, because of course I still want to kind of get the vibe of a Christmas. I mean, what I'm thinking. Why did I save this? Am I silly? Leave him in the leave a comment and let me know if you are silly too. If you say, I mean, this is decent size, but what was that about? No, honestly, I feel guilty sometimes throwing out some wonderful papers, because of course I designed the papers and I feel a bit of a shame to chuck them in the bin. Right, so we're definitely going to use these. They might not look like your traditional Christmas trees, but that's part of the fun. Now, I don't want to bore you and show you how to work collage, so I'm going to do it like I'm going to film it, but I'm going to speed it up so you kind of see what I did and pull them together. So yeah, so I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna chop all the pieces first, and then I'm gonna glue them all together, and then I'm gonna chop the trees. Okay guys, so let me show you my strips. They are still a bit wet, you can still see the glue, but I'm going to punch them, and I think I'm going to be a bit naughty, because normally, in fact, I might just put through like a tissue or something just to get rid of the excess glue, because I just don't want to ruin my punch, but I don't want to wait. We are all impatient, aren't we? So that's one, then that's the second one. I just put some doilies on top, but this is the point we're using scraps. Don't worry if things are not perfect, but that is the point of using up our scraps. They're all very similar. I all use pretty much the same paper, and I just, yeah, chop them. Just use what you have. The point is use up your scraps. So use things that you might not, you know, the stripy paper, they're not scream Christmas, but I thought to use them because they're quite cute. And then I got another scrap here with of gold cardstock, and I just cut. I have used this bunch here, so I just punched some stars, and then what I did, I just literally gone over on top with my Sharpie and just draw like a doodle some stars, and we're gonna do the same with the Christmas trees. So it just simply like just doodle on top. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can just leave the stars as they are, but I think just to give a bit more personality, just do that. So I'm going to punch them all, and I'm going to doodle on top of the trees, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, what do you think? Done. I'm going to just show you on camera. I think they're super cute, super adorable. I did one, where is it? This one here. So I doodled around the tree as well, and I didn't think it was needed, so I left the rest of the trees quite plain. But yeah, I think they're super cute, and the beauty of this is that every tree will be absolutely unique and different. You can use this tree as hidden paper clips, or as a tags, journals, page, little pockets, because you can put this in there and then glue them in there and then just put like a little photo on your scrapbooking project, on your card making project, or just keep it as it is, as a little decoration. I think they're super cute. I love them. Hope you guys like them too. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Thank you so much to Francesca for inviting me or joining this fabulous collaboration. Oh, what I forgot to tell you, you ended up with having these, which you can use them as stencil, or you can use them, like cut them and put on top of tags. So don't throw the scraps. Don't throw the scraps of the scraps. So yeah, just to keep your little smile. So guys, follow the hashtag and you can see all the videos from all the very talented collaborators that are joined the challenge, and you can see what they did with their scraps. So again, click on the hashtag, it will take you straight into there. Right guys, today big shout out goes to the lovely Beth Allen. Beth left a lovely comment and said that she enjoys the Friday freebie, and I got a very special Friday freebie coming on Friday. So if you guys not done it yet, please join my newsletter. So every Friday you get a cheeky free printable. You also get an email with my video recap, and sometimes there is a cheeky discount code because it's Black Friday week. There will be a cheeky discount code. So all the links are down in the info box. Let's finish the video with a quote. This is from the 365 Days of Calm, and today is quote number 24. Sorry, it says, "I am bold and brave. Remember, you are bold and brave." Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really huge big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, and of course if you're new here, I will appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, Francesca, for inviting me to do this collaboration with you all, and thank you to all fabulous other crafters that have showcased the scrapbook videos. So yeah, please go and show some support to this fabulous artist. Right guys, if you need more inspiration, I'll put 2 videos on the screen now. One when we made some Christmas cards using scraps and washi tapes, and then a second video when I make some embellishment, again using some bits and pieces, some scraps. Guys, thank you so much for watching once again, and I got another special video coming up tomorrow. Also, don't forget, from the 1st of December, my daily freebie. We're gonna do December daily, 1 video from the 1st to the 25th of December, full of freebies, a freebie a day. Okay guys, thank you so much. Mwah. And I'll see you Wednesday. Bye.